That's how all our projects start. Hey, McGee. Just in case you're curious, my wife is part of Scotty Garage. She's also a member of Stilettos on Steel and Uncaged Life, which is also a friend of ours. We're actually going to put that a link to her site at the end of this video. But right now we have her 2008 Softail. And as you can see, she's got halogen headlights and passing lights or fog lights on it. And we're actually going to change them to some LEDs. Very bright LED ones. Now the set we bought with quality control happens to have the ring adapter for the Ultra Glides and Road Kings. So we're taking that off because we don't need it for the Softail. Alright, we gotta get quality control out of the way. Come here, buddy. Great, now they're gonna chase each other around the garage.
Okay. So now we're working on the headlight itself. And I gotta pop this loose. And are we taking it all the way out?
Yep.
Alright.
Little tidbit. Keep a container to put all your screws in so you don't lose them.
Here is the ring. Now, gotta take these out, correct?
Yep. All three of those come out.
Put the dielectric grease in, and we're gonna go ahead and plug the light in. There we go. And now we're gonna take it and flip it, and there's the tabs, so we're just gonna fit it into the tabs. I think we're in. And, well, helps if you don't move. And then line this up. Go. That doesn't seem to be fitting correctly. There's a definite. Is it supposed to have a gap like this?
Mm-hmm. Don't get it all the way out.
What?
Only remove it about 3/4 of the way until you can slip the ring off the light. There you go. Now you notice. Here, let me help you out. See the metal ring there? That is an alignment ring. There is a tab on the bottom, right here, that's going to match up. Yep. And you can see the light is going to line up there as well. The new one has alignment tabs on it as well. Little dielectric grease, keep that water out.
And you just right in. Might help. Might help if we don't use too much of it. Ground to ground, which is the black wires to the black wire. Nope, not quite. All right. A little force here. And tuck it in nicely. We have the passing light on this side done, the headlight, but the passing light on this side has not been done yet, and you can definitely see a difference in the coloring of these lights. This one has definitely got a yellow hue versus the clear, more clear glow from these two over on this side. So I have the final passing light to finish, and then my headlights will have been changed. So we have quality control here, and we're going to do a final check of the lights. My husband is on my bike. And all 3 new lights are working.
High and low work. Spotlight off works.
And high and low, you said?
Mm-hmm. That's high beam.
There we go.
That's low beam.
Awesome. And the headlight change out has been completed.